Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by rinsing away loose debris so the cleaner works on the true stain, not grime. Once rinsed, fill a basin with warm water and 1 tablespoon dish soap and submerge the utensil for 10 to 15 minutes to loosen residues. While it soaks, sprinkle baking soda on a small plate and set out white vinegar and a soft sponge. This prepares a mild abrasive and an acid to lift stains without scratching the steel. Begin immediately after soaking. Make a paste using 2 parts baking soda to 1 part water. The paste is mildly abrasive and adjusts to surface contours. You apply it to the stained area and let it rest for about 5 minutes so it loosens mineral deposits and light discoloration. Then scrub in a circular motion with a soft sponge, keeping pressure moderate to remove stain without scratching. If the stain lifts unevenly, reapply paste and repeat. Persistence removes built-up films rather than chemical cores. After scrubbing, rinse the paste thoroughly and apply a little white vinegar to neutralize any alkaline residue and dissolve remaining mineral traces. You will see fizz where reaction occurs. Make sure to rinse again, then dry and polish with a microfiber cloth to restore shine and prevent water spots. If a stain persists, repeat the paste and vinegar cycle once more or switch to a dedicated stainless steel cleaner as directed. If nothing works, check for heat tint or pitting and troubleshoot accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.